All right, this video is going to cover the OR gate, Digital Electronics Lesson 4 in the Electrical Training Alliance Blended Learning Module. So OR is exactly what it sounds like too. If you watch my AND video, where this and this and this had to be high in order to make a high output, an OR is going to be this or this or this has to be high to make a high output. If we were looking at this using electrical logic, we will see that if I close any one of these three push buttons, I'm going to energize F. So what we'll do is we will again do our truth table. And so I've got input A, input B, input C, and output F. And I have got to again draw in all of my possible scenarios. Extend those out a little bit further. So I'm going to have, if they're all low, if I only have one of them low, I'm sorry, one of them high, excuse me. There's my scenarios with only one of them high each, and I will have two highs. Or last but not least, all of them high. So again, using electrical logic, we can kind of see that anytime I push any one of these push buttons, because they're in parallel, I will have a high output. So really all I need to do is identify where I have a 1 in any of my columns, or I can just say that when all of my inputs are low, de-energized, which is the position they're all in now in this picture, then that means that this is going to be a low output, because we can see that I'm never going to have any signal going to output F. But now if I close any one of these three switches, any place that I have a 1 as an input, a high input, I will also have a high output. And that includes when I have them all three closed.